This is the entrance you're going to be greeted with if you stay at the West Baden Springs Hotel. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a tour around the hotel, so if you're thinking about staying here, this will give you a good idea of what you're looking for. Now this room is a double queen parlor. And when you walk in, you're kind of met with this, I guess it's called the parlor room or a sitting room. What's nice about this room is if someone was in the bedroom sleeping, you have a door right there that you can close off and you can still sit out here and watch TV. As you come into the room, to your right is going to be a closet. And it's going to have a safe at the top. It's got a couple bathrobes and a couple extra blankets. And now also in this sitting room is kind of I'll call it a bar area. It's definitely not a kitchen. But you do have a sink, you got a coffee maker, and you do have a small mini fridge right down here underneath the sink. Nothing fancy, but if you need a couple bottles of water to keep in your room, or maybe you got a dessert from the restaurant and you want to keep it cold, works perfect for that. It does have a nice sized TV in here. Like I said, it's nice to sit in here later at night if someone wanted to go to bed early. And now if we walk through these doors, this is going to be the bedroom. And here are the double queens. Very comfortable beds. We all slept last night, never woke up. It was extremely quiet. Beds were extremely comfortable. You do have a lot of light in this room. There's really not a lot of artificial light, but there is a lot of light that comes in during the day. The day's kind of overcast, so you can't really tell. And you do have a nice sized TV there in the corner. Now, one nice thing that was pretty impressive is the bathroom. The bathroom is very large. So we walk into the bathroom, you have more natural light right here. And you have a sink, nice area to get ready in the morning or get ready at night. What's cool is this has a tub and a separate shower. You can see right there, nice size shower. And down here on the end is going to be a tub. Also has a shower head, so if two people were in a hurry, wanted to get ready, you can easily take a shower on one side and someone else take a shower on the other. And over here, where the toilet is, this is kind of a closet toilet. There isn't a lot of room in there, but if someone was going to take a shower and you wanted to close this off, you definitely could do that as well. So this is a really well-designed bathroom. Tile on the bottom, the walls, tile all over the floor. Very nice and clean. So if you're thinking about coming to the French Lick area, or maybe you came down to Kentucky Derby and need a place to stay, I highly recommend the West Baden. Now if you want a little more of a party type atmosphere, you could always stay over at the French Lick. But if you want a nice, comfortable, quiet atmosphere, there's a lot less kids here at the West Baden. It's a little more of a mature kind of guest experience. It's really quiet. It's very, very nice, very, very clean. You can't go wrong staying here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.